Well, hi, I'm Crane. I'm not gonna go insane on that, and this is my DIY light setup. I mean, you can't see that? Wait. Okay, so there you see that one, this, and this. Now this is not professional, not recommended. Look at this. A tube light, a fluorescent light, a ring light, and this is the DIY. Look at that. This is the base. And this is the light. Oh my god. Disclaimer. If you're here for a proper tutorial how to make a DIY light, this video might not be for you. All you can get out of this video idea is some ideas. All you can get out of this video. This is a setup series episode 3. Okay, I make this, I want to show it on YouTube to you. That's all I want to do in this series. That's it. I need to make a light. That's it. And if you search for a softbox light, it's kind of expensive. I mean, I want that, but I don't want to spend that much. Huge props to this video, so I got the basic idea how to make a light.
You'll be welcome on the sunny side. Every gentleman and lady, if you're living where it's shady, come over on the sunny side.
Oh,
bad word.
That was not very pleasant, but yeah. This is huge. Because what I'm gonna do with that? Well, you. It's like. What's the? Well, that's 8'7". Why that big? I don't know. All I had. This is just enough to make like a softbox light. You just gotta cut those thermocoils like in this shape and just glue them up. So you just add some masking tape with it, and your frame is ready, right? And then you gotta need the aluminum foil. Anybody tell me what the
bad word?
Actually, in the name of
bad word.
Aluminum foil? What the
bad word?
Basically, that will look like some spaceship right there. Like, well, so the cracked plan. So the crackhead plan was a base with a stand with a light. What I did was like this base. You remember this base from that my previous workbench? I didn't do any calculation that a 8'7" rod can, it can be stable with that. I just don't. I didn't saw it and like, oh, it will work. So what I need, like a 90-degree plate, and I just, all I know is like bolt and just making holes and putting nuts. That's all I know. And so what I did was like. Yeah, moved a little bit. Look at that. This, do that. Well, Crane, how do you then attach the light with the pole? Well, I had some woods laying around. I made like a wooden sword like in Minecraft and like shove it in the light. Does that make sense? To stabilize it, just add nuts and bolts, because that's all I know. Glue doesn't work. Just cut out a hole in the thermocol. You just put a holder there and the bulb. Well, we're back to green screen. Okay, look. So, finally, we did make the base, the pole, and the light on it. Everything happens for a reason, alright? So when I was just making this light and everything, this shit just blew up. Smoke coming outside! This exploded! And it's the smoke. Holy shit.
Bad word.
Oh, my glue gun. Oh,
bad word.
Look at it. Oh, no. What? Luckily, I have another one, and this is the original one. This is my first ever thing I bought from Flipkart for my money, and like when just like saving money, when I'm not earning or stuff. It's for like 4 years. Still going. One is like, this is broken. I can fix it with that, I guess. This was just broken for that, so I just replaced with that, and the best. Then I fixed the pole on the base, attached the light with the pole, like this, just putting nut and bolts and just turning it up. Okay, so this is the light. And added a hand switch. On, off. Look at how satisfying this is. On, off. It's cold outside, wait. Wow. how my tripod is. This is my actual arm mount and it's working as a tripod.
It wasn't there last night. It's a whole new, brand new, whole new thing.
So the things I changes, the updates, the main updates. Okay, let's start with this whiteboard. Do you remember that whiteboard? Well, I had to install it there. Metal. Screws. This a little bit. Bam. We gotta make holes in it. I'm just tired, but with the whiteboard, I put some this achievements I did. Declan was here, Best Kimberly was here, Ronnie was here, Eskerasi was the only zombies. He subscribed to me, it's crazy. So then I have some motivational quotes. Luck is equal to preparation plus opportunity. It's by Casey Neistat. So now this is like a gratitude resentment graph. I'll explain it later. There's gonna be a separate video on that. Now here are the things I need to do. Blueprints, the paper cutter, and some things I want to learn, some things I had to do. This is also a quotation. It's like for the burnout time when I feel like, oh shit, I don't want to make the video. This is the part of the marathon. You gotta swallow your pride, walk, slow down, but don't stop. It's like Van Neistat, Casey Neistat brothers, when I quotation. Now there is one more. You're crazy until successful, you're a genius. Jimmy, Mr. Beast, do that. Now my setup is pretty much same as it was. Like you can see the monitor and this thing. The Doom is still installing. Well, now I sleep here. Now the best part of the sleeping here is you sleep here, and when at night, open this windows, so you can see stars over there. So you can literally sleep while looking at the stars. That's a good part of the whole thing. So, well, this rack looks the same. So, well, the difference is, this time, I have a skateboard. Well, there. Well. Whoa. My guitar lies here, I need a guitar stand. Now, these are those spray paints. That is carnage manika. Now, the bad thing is that I don't have space to put it in any place. I want to put it on a wall or some place that will look crazy good. For now, its place is here. And these are some scraps I don't know what to do with. Did I mention to you how I just organized this thing? This is electronic stuff, nuts and bolts, blade, clip and nails, screws, pin drive, more screws, more batteries, motor and switch. Like Dying Light 2, that was for thumbnail. The screwdrivers, wrenches, drill bits, art and craft supplies. This is a fountain pen ink, whiteboard marker ink, whiteboard markers, permanent marker, the painting thing, artistic color, masking tape, black tape, Fevicol, hand sanitizer, glue gun, vernier caliper, sticky pad, all art and craft supplies, scales, measurement tapes and stuff. These are the blade slides here. This is like metal. It has a lot of metals, but I just cut. Aluminum foil, random laying around, hammer, plus heavy stuff here. Here lies my metal. This is I'm like working on something you'll see later. And this is like still not have this. These are the lights laying around. A pedal. What was that? And these are some books and stuff laying around, which I have to do that, which I will have to like organize more. I just need much time. So currently I need a desk, and I need to put these things up, and you find out what is that. I'll be working on that, and you'll find out in the next episode, I guess. So thanks for watching. Good night, good luck, bye bye.